Create a color transition in the After Effects. So we need a new composition. Right click, new composition. So this is, maybe you change the white color as a background. This one doesn't matter. Press OK. The next thing you're going to do is create a solid color in this preview here. Right click on your timeline, new solid. Okay, so this is the color of your transition. What color you want? Okay. Expand the layer, expand the transform. Then the thing you need to do first is use the anchor point tool. Move this anchor point to the bottom left. Okay, if you can't really see it, just zoom in. Make it here. So it will rotate based on this anchor point. So after you adjust your anchor point, I need you to go back to the scale, make it into 250. Okay, done. Then I need you to check on the stopwatch beside the rotation. Change your figure to -94. Okay, after that, maybe 1 second later, you want to see the yellow solid color. So I make it to 91. Okay, so you can see it start to shows up. Okay, then the next thing you need to do after you've done this one is Control or Command donkey on your keyboard. Okay, so you create another yellow solid here. Now you got another yellow color, but you say I don't want yellow, maybe I have to change the green color. How are you going to change the layer solid color? Go to layer, solid setting. Okay, now I change to blue maybe, or green. Press OK, so it become a green color. Then the next thing you need to do do in the timeline is push your use your selection tool, push your timeline. Maybe you say after 12 frame you want to see the green color. So when I play, okay, so it's not really match. Okay, then followed by the green color. Then Control Command donkey again, change the color, solid setting. Okay, this time I change to cyan. Okay, then the things you need to take care is as let's say I use 9 frame for the first one, then the second one I also need to use a 9 frame, so it will become very consistent. So if you don't, then it will become very weird lah. So try to make it to 18 frames. Okay, again preview. Okay, maybe this one is too. Okay, 18 here. Okay, you can preview. So this is the color. So you can add as many as you like lah using this method. Okay, change the solid setting. With this time I change to a red color. Okay, then the next thing you're going to do is adjust on the frame. Okay, 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8. Okay, okay, preview. So this is our color transition. So okay, insert your transition in other video editing and so on. Right, thank you for watching.